In this video, we will be looking at how to verify your email sending domain for account engagement. This is a critical step for ensuring that you have a good sending reputation for all of your account engagement emails. So let's get started. First, you'll navigate to Account Engagement Settings, or Admin if you're using pi.pardot.com, and then head to Domain Management. If you set up your domain prior to the Spring 23 release, you may see a legacy verified status for any existing domains, as the expected DNS entries changed in this release. You won't need to update the values for any existing sending domains, but for any new ones you add, you may see different DNS entries to those you have added before. So if your domain is not showing here, use the Add New Domain menu to add any additional sending domains that you require. And once your domain has been added, click on the Expected DNS Entries link to open up the table with the values you'll need to add. At this stage, we need to head to whichever system you're using for your DNS settings. We use FastHosts, so I will be demonstrating this in FastHosts. You may need to speak to your IT team to get this set up or to gain access to that area. So first, we're going to set up our SPF record. You may have an SPF record in your DNS already. It's important that you don't add a second one. You need to either validate that the existing record is verified and contains these values, or update your existing record. If you don't have an existing SPF record, in your DNS settings, this needs to be added as a text record. So once you've hit Add Text Record in whichever system you're using, the host name will remain blank, and copy in the exact value from the table in Account Engagement. And you can go ahead and save that record. Next, we need to add our validation key. So again, this is for the root domain, and we need to copy here this value into our DNS settings. So back in the DNS settings, again, this is another text record with no host name, and we'll paste the value from the table in Account Engagement into the value section there. And finally, we have our domain key record. So for this, there is a subdomain that we need to add as the host in your DNS settings, and we have the full entry here for the value section. So in your DNS settings, again, this is a text record. We'll add that subdomain as your host name there, and the value we paste in, same as all the others. So now you've added those values, you can click on Check DNS Entries, and hopefully you'll have some nice green ticks appear here. Do be aware that it can take a few hours for this to propagate from your DNS and for Account Engagement to be able to verify this. So do be patient and check back later if it doesn't verify immediately. If you are seeing any errors, you can click on the error and you will see then your expected entry, and you will see the actual entry that is there to help you troubleshoot any errors. But hopefully you should have a nicely validated email sending domain and be ready to send emails from Account Engagement.